What is persuasive speech? Persuasive speech is aiming to convince an audience to adopt a certain viewpoint, opinion, or idea. Types of persuasive speech. We have three types of persuasive speech. Number one is policy persuasive speech. Convinces the audience to support a policy, candidate, or role. Value persuasive speech. Argues a judgment about something such as whether it's good or bad. Factual persuasive speech. It it argues the truth or falsity of an assertion. The goal of persuasive speech is to convince the audience to share the speaker's point of view. To do this, the speaker makes specific claims and uses proposition as their thesis statement. They then use facts, logics, emotional appeals, and their credibility to prove their cases. Who is the father of, or who, what is the origin of persuasive speech? Aristotle's three elements of persuasion, ethos, pathos, and logos, are the origin of persuasive speech. That's all. Thank you.